Hey yo, so I think we found a little something that we might jump on. Y'all see it, man. Climate control, man cave. This a little something new. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. Me and J Monty, we out here and we just browsing and stuff. I had to hit Harbor Freight, of course. You know what I'm saying? I had to get some little stuff for the car, but man, you can see it. How they got everything all decked out in there. Got the wall trim and all, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Come with an AC unit. You can run your power in right there. Also right here. You know what I'm saying? So they give you 2 sockets right there. You know what I'm saying? You got your door. Go in and out. You can lock it. And I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, I'm gonna hit these folk up. Look at that. You ain't got a little porch light, Jay. That crazy right there. Wall socket on the outside in case you want to put your little something extra on the top of it, you know what I'm saying, and cook out or whatever the case may be, man. But this thing right here, this right here is something unique. Hey there, man. You can't beat that, you know what I'm saying? Nice little hangout spot just in case you ain't want people inside your house, or you running a business and you got clients that need to come over or whatnot. I'm noticing they got the little lights on the corner right there too. You know what I'm saying? Me knowing me, as crazy as I am, I'll turn around and put me a ladder up there and turn around and have me a nice little spot to sit down on the top of this thing, man. But me and Jay Monty were riding, like I say, and we checked this right here out. So I'm definitely gonna take this number right here down and, you know what I'm saying, check into this right here. Give me a nice little spot to cool out when I'm working on the car. And then I can actually bring a part from this right here and just put my shed from the side. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't know. We're gonna check into that. And yeah, that's what it is, man. Yo, so we out here late night working. Me and Toot, we got all the junk in the front tonight. And you can see what we out here doing. Where we left off, I told y'all seat number 2 was going in there. Y'all saw how seat number 1 went in, so I didn't feel like I needed to show y'all how seat number 2 was going in because it went in the same way. You can see how straight that thing's sitting in there. Yeah, of course, you know Toot want to try it out. He already done over here. Another thing, Toot actually came out. Toot said he wanted to rust protect everything, so we went with rust protection. You know what I'm saying? Went ahead and did just a little bit of rust protection. Hit the bottom of the seats just a little bit with a little rust protection. We're gonna hit them again once we take them out. Got the doors done today. Toot wasn't out here when I did the doors though. He wasn't out here when I did the doors, so I'm gonna show him the doors right quick. Got the doors sanded and rust protected today. So we're gonna hit the insides of them tomorrow. We hit the insides a little bit, but I still wanna vacuum out and put another coat on the insides. That's all 4 of them too now. We ain't play no game. We was up like, almost like 8 o'clock this morning. We came out here about 10:30. Well, I came out by 10:30. Toot had to do some testing or whatnot. So then I ran out and, you know what I'm saying, I found some old video I had from a raffle drop-off people. I posted that video. Make sure y'all go because I wanted everybody to see where I did send y'all merch, y'all. Got the other door. All the doors done, man. Rust protection on all the doors. We told y'all we were going into overdrive. We went into overdrive. Rust protection on all the doors, man. Stop playing with me, man. All the doors. We're gonna hit that front one more time. You see it off in the jams and everything. All behind these little seats. We ain't really had no rust in the car, to be honest with you. But I spray that rust protection due to the fact that we trying to go ahead and get everything ready drop the so we can go ahead and drop the noise reduction mats in here, or dynamat as some people call it, in here. Unplug my light right there for a second. Go ahead and sit down, Toot. What you waiting on, man? He ready to sit down anyway. I weld out right there, and Toot did a little job on this one right here yesterday. I weld out right there, and you know what I'm saying? Did a little measuring and click, click. Fasten her straight on down. How she feel, Toot?
Good.
That joker feel like you can go to sleep in her, ain't it? I'm telling you, man. I done sat down in it. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Another thing I can almost tell y'all, right, is if we lose the headrests, we still ain't gonna lose nothing, because we'll still be able to lay our heads back. But we kind of contemplating on whether or not we want to keep the headrests or whatnot. If we lose the headrests, the seats will recline back just another, 2 inches if we lose the headrests. So definitely, you know what I'm saying? So the headrest is kind of touching the window right here. If we take and pull the headrests off, we can get another 2 inches reclining back. Tomorrow, if the Lord's will, we're gonna come out and all of this old glue you see up here, all this here, see this here with these holes and stuff at, we're gonna patch all of them right there back up. We're gonna get us some new foam or something to pack off in there, and we're gonna patch all that stuff back up. See y'all up in here. We're gonna get our wire brush, hit all that right there with the wire brush, safety goggles, and then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and hit that. We're gonna hit that with the rust protection. We gotta drop this top anyway, because we gotta cut the that little space right there so we can put our little rubber seal back around it. So that's probably gonna be the next thing we do. You know what I'm saying? Same thing on this side right here. You know, and all this right here basically come from cutting the top, because before we cut the top, we didn't have any of this right here up here. So these little brackets right here, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the grinder and I'm gonna get these up out of there. Or this one, I might go ahead and push it up and tack it up, or you know what I'm saying, just to give me a little bit more reinforcement on that. And I know I've had a lot of people ask me, how did I get the top in there? You can look, it don't look all nice right now, but I'm gonna go back with my grinder, a thicker disc, not a cutting disc, a thicker grinder disc, and I'm just gonna grind all of this right here stuff smooth, cut off some of this extra metal, clean up around the edges and all. It's another piece that goes right here on my tray that allows my water drains to run, and I will run those back down through the panel, and then they'll run outside where the back tire is at. So we definitely gonna get that tray up, but we gonna drop this top, clean everything up around the top, and then we gonna go from there, and we should be done. But starlight, star bright. Man, I'm trying to tell you, man. Let Toot hold this light right here for a second. I ain't gonna lie, Toot, the seat do feel good. Yeah, the seat feel pretty good, man. Did an excellent job on that right there. And I know a lot of y'all probably looking at headroom, but this right here, man, I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. This ain't no everyday driver, so you know what I'm saying? Once we go ahead and put that right there up in there, and you lounging in this thing, man, you still got about a good couple of inches up there on your head, man. I mean, shoot, it is what it is, man. You know, me, and I ain't saying this in no arrogant way, but I built this for me and Toot. So if Toot satisfied, I'm satisfied. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Stop listening to these naysayers that's on YouTube when y'all doing y'all projects. Now, there is a right way to do it. If they ain't offering to come help y'all for free, and they trying to throw a dollar sign at y'all, so be it. Now, I will say this. Time is money. So, you know, I can't say that I can offer anybody to come help them do anything for free. But at the same time, with me putting these type of videos up on YouTube, I do support the grind. I do support the do-it-yourselfers. That's who I support. I support the do-it-yourselfers. I do. So with that being said, you know what I'm saying? We flip that thing around. We still got to prime the top, man. But y'all see Toot, man. Toot got that thing, man. Star light, star bright. Cause look at him. Look at him in there, dog. And then what make it so bad, right? Toot got a tray in there. Slide that tray on back right there, Toot, for me. You got to grab that other side, cause, you know what I'm saying? Grab it even. Ready? Look at that there. We got the screen in that thing, man. Sunscreen still in there, just so y'all can see it. Yep. Sunscreen in the front and the back. But you see where that sunscreen right there at? I'm going to tell y'all what I'm going to probably end up doing. Right there where that sunscreen at, I'm going to probably end up taking some material, and I'm going to, whatever material I go with on the top, I'm going to do that whole sunscreen over. So we going to lose the sunscreen, and we just going to put it so where when we want it dark in the back, we have that material up there in the back part. So when we do that, it could be dark. You feel what I'm saying? You don't want sunlight all the time. So with that being said, man, I'm going to change that up just a little bit when I do transform everything or whatnot. But, man, y'all see it, man. Out here grinding. Still out here grinding. We got some more videos to come, man. Some more crazy videos to come. Of course, I'm gonna... Y'all saw the video. If y'all did see the video, I think I might have already posted the video up. I don't know. I think I did. Did I not? If I didn't, I'll make sure I drop that either tonight or early in the morning. It's the DIY for the oil pump primer, for your engine. That video already up?
Yeah.
See, that my manager right there, you know what I'm saying? Like he my boss man and my manager, so he makes sure I stay on task with posting the videos and all, you know what I'm saying, while I'm out here turning up and working on this car. So Toot say the video already up. Man, y'all make sure y'all lock into that video, man, so y'all can stop, you know what I'm saying, dry starting these engines and messing y'all bearings and stuff up, man. I'm trying to offer y'all a little bit of advice, man. That's how a lot of the machine shops do it. Of course, they don't have the do-it-yourself tools. They actually have a real tool that they do it with, but that's as close as we gonna get to the actual machine shops and getting that type of stuff done. So, you know what I'm saying? I'd much rather give y'all a little advice on how to get that done than to have y'all out here, you know what I'm saying, spinning bearings on the first start or whatever, or dry starting your engine because y'all ain't got no oil or whatever in there, man. But so far, so good, man. How you like the work that got done today?
Feel good.
Huh?
Feel real good.
Feel good?
Mm-hmm.
How you like the door panels and everything being blacked out?
It look nice.
Look nice.
Yeah.
We might go ahead and cut the holes in it and actually drop the door panels on it tomorrow, just so we can, you know what I'm saying, see where we at. We gonna have to do a little sanding around the edges on those. And then I'm thinking about hitting the pool yard. I ain't tell Toot this. I'm thinking about hitting the pool yard tomorrow, right? So we could do something a little different on the bottom half of the door. If we don't do nothing a little different on the bottom half of the door, I'm gonna go into the house right now. My little plan with working the bottom half of the door is the speaker pods. The speaker pods that I made, they are good. I could use those, so I'm gonna check those out, and if I can work with those, man, I'm gonna make those do what it do. So, you know, y'all make sure y'all lock in and stay tuned on that right there, man. Like I said, we got some more pour 15 in to do. I'm glad I got these doors right here. You know what I'm saying? Sand it down, rust proof now. I still gotta go over there and hit Toot side. I done vacuum it out, so that's why I didn't hit it like I want to. So we're gonna grab the vacuum probably tomorrow. I ain't gonna do it tonight. It's a little dark out here. I ain't want to disturb the neighbors, but vacuum it out. You know what I'm saying? Get the grass up out the way and everything, and then I go back. I put the spray rust protection down there, but I'm gonna hit it again with the actual pour 15 out of the can. And brush it on so it could get that nice glossy black shiny look. You feel what I'm saying? Too, make it wet. That's how they want it, wet on the inside. And if it get wet on the outside, they want it wet on the inside too. So that's how we gonna do it. You feel what I'm saying, man? It feels so good to be back too. What you think? Yeah. It feels so good to be back, man. I'm out here, man. I'm working, man. Like I say, man. Long live my daddy, man, Mr. T. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep grinding until we get this thing right here done, man. Look at here. We ain't rushing for nobody. We ain't rushing for nobody. Look at that top, man. Look at the top, man. We still got a little bit of tape and all we got to clean up off there. You know what I'm saying? A little extra stuff we got to clean up off the top right here, but we all good. We still got some priming we got to do. We still got to cut around this right here so we can slap them seals in there. But overall, though, you know what I'm saying? I think you did a good job, man. I think you did a good job, too. We got everything stacked up in the front right here, man. We're going to start cleaning this thing out, putting everything in place. We can start marking our, we ain't going to mark the shifter up yet, but throw some power to the seat right here. Pull this seat right here, or probably pull that seat right there back to where this seat right here is. And then we'll kind of make the console just a little bit, because I know I'm comfortable in this driver's seat. So I kind of know this is where I'm going to be sitting at a tilt. And you just saw me sitting in here, both legs in, you know. So, and I know I'm a good 5'11", 6 foot, something like that. So, I mean, that means somebody 6 feet can actually get back there behind me. So we got enough room, man. We got enough room. You think we got enough room too? Yeah. I got to ask Toot now, y'all. I'm keep asking Toot questions, cause you know he gonna be driving this thing a whole lot more than I'm gonna be driving. He got a lot more time with this thing than I do. So y'all see it, man. Another thing we gonna do, man. We got to go to Mom Dude's house to pick up them rims. So I can go ahead and get these rims right here to my boy Jew. You feel what I'm saying? So Jew, look at here, man. When we pull up on you, dog, we bringing that raw material. And we ain't got no, matter of fact, you might have to pull up on us. Cause you got the pickup down there. So we might need you to pull up on us, man, and come grab these things right here and grab your raw t-shirt and everything, man. So that's it though, man. That's it though. I mean, hey, what more can I say? You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how we do it, man. My boy Toot right here. Toot, send him out, man. Send him out, Toot. Tell him what to do.
Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment, share, and stay tuned.
And stay tuned. Follow my boy Toot, a.k.a. J.T.Verify on Instagram. And also follow me, Rich_Everythang.
With an A.
With an A. And y'all know what time it is, man. We logging out. We back working on Relentless. You feel what I'm saying? So we got them seats buckled down in that thing from front to back. They in there. So now we can move on to something else. What you think about that? Let's send them out then.